Okay, so those first two clips that you saw was me preparing something for Stephanie's birthday, and I ordered some stuff online that's coming tomorrow Sunday. Her birthday is in a week and a half. So yeah, I'm preparing things for her, and then when those things come in, I'll show you tomorrow. What else? Oh, I'm gonna like make a box for her. Okay, thank you, Cicadas. Making a box for her of all her favorite snacks and her food and some like BTS things and whatnot. So I'll show you all of that tomorrow when it comes in. Okay, so I don't know if she'll like this, but I got her this, a V Funko Pop. I got her some BTS photo cards, some stickers that I'm gonna put on her letter, and then like I'll just give her some so that maybe she can have it on her phone case and stuff like that, or her notebooks or whatever, her binder, her folders for classes and stuff. I'll give you like a full thing in a second. Okay guys, I'm currently like choosing out the photo cards to give to her. Obviously, as probably many of you know, that her bias is V. Oh, that's, wow, great glare. So in this photo card set, they gave me 2. I'm only gonna give her 1. So I'm thinking of giving her this one. So that's that. So I have the stickers and these photo cards as well. Add that to the collection of photo cards she already has. Okay, we're moving on to these photo cards now. There was one specific one that I saw. Ah, there it is. This one, that is V. It would focus. Okay, and I'll probably give her a whole BTS one. I don't know which one though. Maybe this one, because I already have one of this one in my other photo cards. Or did I already put that one in her bag? I don't know. I have to check the other ones. Probably give her this one as well. So that's that. I think that's the last of these that I'm gonna give her. So these are the stickers. I think this is a V sticker. I have to go back to the Save Me video in order to see if this is V, but I believe this is V. This is V. This is another one. V and Jin, I'm not sure. This is V from the Korean drama he was in. And this is also again V from the Korean drama he was in.
Oh my god. I'm so excited. So I just got Crystal's package. The one that she sent for my birthday. I want to see what's in there. I feel like I know like what's gonna like sort of be in it, but we'll see. Cry. Oh my god. Oh, that's a lot of snacks. Oh no. Read the letters first. You're gonna hear loose items in this, but don't look at those until after you read the letter. Then you can open your gifts and read part 2. Also vlog your reaction because I vlogged the process of making your box. Yes. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Excuse you. I'm sorry if you're wearing
One eternity later.
Headphones. Okay, I'm not gonna open that. There is loose items in here, but I'm not gonna open it until I read it. Oh my god, okay. I don't know which ones to read first, but I'm just gonna go ahead and read all of them. Okay. Caitlin, oh, I love you so much, girl. Oh, it's Crystal's sister. I'm gonna cry. Dear Stephanie, I'm writing this letter because Will was being a meanie and said he didn't want to write the letter, so that's why I'm writing it. Anyways, I hope you do well and get good grades in school, and I hope you have a safe trip when you come back to visit or to stay. Love, Caitlin. I wanna cry. Part 2. Oh wait, no. This one. I think this is Crystal's letter. Yes! This is Crystal's letter. Hi Stephanie, how's school? I bet you're doing awesome, making new friends and taking the train to get from place to place, which sounds really fun, lol. I want to take the metro rail downtown, but anyways, I plan on this letter being sent before or after your birthday, so happy birthday. Oof, you're 19. Dude, that's crazy. We're just gonna keep getting older. The other day I was thinking how when your baby sister is your age, you're gonna be twice as old as you are now. Like what? Same with my little sister and your brother. But anyways, here are some gifts I got you, okay? I have been waiting to give you. I hope you like them. From Crystal. Oh, Tata! I got Tata! Oh my god, I love Tata! Ah, I'm gonna cry. I'm trying not to, because I'm just nice. Part 2. I'm assuming you read your letters before you see what's in your package. I'm giving you a Polaroid of your mom and baby sister and part of your brother, lol, and some BTS V stickers to put on your phone. Oh my god. To put on your phone case or on your notebooks, and some BTS V photo cards as well, and then the big thing, the V Funko Pop and all your favorite snacks. Maybe not all, but some. We love you and don't get into too much trouble at college. Krista and Kimberly. Oh no. You guys, I can't. I'm actually crying. Oh my god, look. You guys have to see this. Oh my god. I'm gonna like cut this part and I'm just gonna record like tiny pieces of it so you guys can see. Oh my goodness. You guys need to. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, my babies. My baby. Look at my baby. Oh my god, you guys. I love you guys so. Oh my, you guys need to see this. Okay. Let me just put them like all down and just send you. Oh. Okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna show you guys what's in the box. Snacks. So I'll just show you guys like from up here what it looks like. So yeah, so this is what's in the box. Oh my god, you know I love this. Oh my goodness. Oh, what is this? Oh my god, I haven't opened this. What is this? Okay, wait. Okay, I'm gonna like record myself opening this. But not cute or anything, but something to decorate your dorm with. Oh, that's cute. I like it. Oh, I like it. I'll decorate it. Oh my god, I've been craving some Takis. Oh my god, it's Sour Patch. Yes! Okay, I recorded like that part, so I'm gonna record opening this because I didn't see this, but oh my god, I'm gonna cry. I cried already, guys. No way, Crystal. Or no way. No. Oh crap. No freaking way. No freaking way. I don't want to rip it. It's cute. No freak. I only had One Direction paper left. I'm sorry. Oh, that's okay. Oh, she's talking about the wrapper. It's One Direction. It's okay. I tried to get Kimberly to write a letter too, but she didn't write it in time. It's okay. I still love her. Oh, you guys. You guys. Oh my god, thank you guys so much.